KB5074828 is a cumulative update preview for .NET Framework 3.5 and 4.8.1 on Windows 11, version 25H2, aiming to improve security and reliability. If you are unable to install this update, follow the instructions of this video.
First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update. Press Run. Select if you can't install the update, or if the update is causing issues. I'll choose that I can't install it. Press Yes to scan your PC for errors. Wait for your PC to be scanned. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Once it finished, close the window and restart your PC. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Open the Software Distribution folder. The Download folder. Press Continue. This will delete the corrupted Windows Update files. Close the windows and run Windows Update.